Sunday night, time for another class. This is Maxine, and she is busy. She started doing her portrait. This is her own design that she's done, and very symbolic. Maxine, you want to tell us a little bit about the symbolism?
Well, I'm bringing ladybugs into the portrait. My last one was about bees, and ladybugs are kind of like the saving grace for farmers, because they eat all the aphids and pests. And they actually named ladybugs because it was based on Our Lady, the Virgin Mary.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so when farmers were going through a rough time with their farms, they prayed to the Virgin Mary, and a swarm of ladybugs came and saved their farm.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. And is this now who's she then? Is she the Lady Virgin?
Not necessarily.
She
I
you?
just felt like there should be a person to bring in the human aspect of...
Looks a bit like you.
Really?
Yeah, from the side, the jawline, nose.
Thank you, that's a compliment.
No, she's very pretty. And why did you decide to do the orange background, the very luminous orange background?
I want to make it look sort of like a sunset effect coming from the side. So I put the orange, fluorescent orange in there to kind of peek through the clouds eventually.
Good.
Here and there.
And you're going to make it the same style as the last one you did?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, but that's sort of, I think, your sort of like a little bit between very tight and more loose combination.
Yes, both.
Yeah. Good. It's going to look lovely, I think.
Thank you.
Oh. And this is Tracy. We've got another portraitist here. It's her first portrait. And what can you tell us about this portrait, Tracy?
Well, it's my first actual paintings. We'll see how it comes out, besides my little fruit paintings. And yeah, I just really like the picture. So it's going to go up in my new house, hopefully.
And how did you start? Where did you get these colors from?
So I got this from Split Complementary.
What's a split complementary?
So where you've got, normally complementary would be opposite on the color wheel, and then you take one on each side.
Good.
So they complement each other like that.
Okay, so you did a double split
complementary.
Yeah, okay, good. So that would be then your green and your pink, and
so
then...
I've tried to do sort of green, blue, purple. I'm trying to remember all these now. I can't remember. They are written on the back of here, but green, blue, green, yellow. That's right, and then red, orange, and red, purple.
Looks very nice, eh? And that's your palette you got already down there. I like the turquoise and the orange against each other. Cool.